How to choose pickup store location in the Starbucks app. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to choose a pickup store location in the Starbucks app so your mobile order is ready exactly where you want it. So now without further ado, let's get started. So first thing first, open the Starbucks app on your phone and make sure that you're logged in to your account. And now here, once you're inside the app, just tap on the orders tab at the bottom and this is where you'll browse drinks, foods and nearby stores. So here look at the top of the screen and you will see your current store location. So simply tap on it and change your pickup location and you can use the map view to see the stores nearby. And now here you can see the stores or search by tapping on the search bar to look up for a specific city, zip code, or a address. And after that, you can simply tap on the store you want and make sure it shows mobile order and pay available. And after that, you can just tap order here to set it as your pickup store. And after that, you can go ahead and build your order. And after that, the selected pickup location will be automatically set when you check out. And that's it. That's how easy it is to choose a pickup store in the Starbucks app. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.